Well, as we know, there have been a lot of disasters across the country and closer to us in California. Horrible wildfires displacing thousands of people. And some of those people may choose not to rebuild there. They may want to give it up and come to a whole new area, and Arizona's so darn close.
Right.
So we're already starting to hear from a few of these people, and they've got questions. And the cool thing is that FHA came out with a program which is zero down for these victims of disaster. They can buy a house with zero down payment, and we can negotiate with the seller to pay closing costs perhaps, so they could get in with very little to nothing down.
All right, so as Julie mentioned, we've had several natural disasters across the nation. And so specifically this program benefits people who have lived in an area that is a presidentially declared major disaster area. Whether they rented or owned, this program could provide them an option for a fresh start. So do you want to dig into the details?
Yeah. So they can buy any type of a home. It can be a single family detached, it can be a townhome or a condo, as long as it's in a FHA approved project.
And this program is an FHA product. So
yes, so it's nationwide.
Nationwide.
Yep. And the house doesn't have to be in the same area they were living. So this is allowing people to relocate, start over fresh in a new state. People with a credit score of a minimum of 600, which is really reasonable.
Mm-hmm.
They will be a good fit for this. And we found out that if they had an old mortgage on the home that they lost, that mortgage payment will not be considered in qualifying for the new loan. So that's a huge savings right there that we will have to work with. And in addition, if folks have had credit problems as a result of the disaster, say they lost their car, they've lost their home, as long as we can establish that any derogatories are from that period of time during the disaster on forward, then we can consider that as a separate situation, and that won't be held against them in the underwriting of the new loan.